minute since 3LW. You've been up to big things, so catch us up.
Well, you know, I've been in a girl group, which is great, but now it's time for me to really branch out and show people so many other things that I've always wanted to do, which is acting. I did Broadway. I was in a show called Hairspray on Broadway.
Big look.
And I was in Notorious. I played Little Kim. And now I'm in a movie called Fame, and I play the Irene Cara role, and my character's name is Denise in the movie Fame, which comes out in September 25th.
September 25th? Well, that'll be a big day, and we'll definitely check for you on that.
I'm very excited.
What was it like playing someone like Lil' Kim in a movie role, being an artist too?
Yeah, I know. I mean, I loved her style, her rap and her music. It's very iconic to play someone like Lil' Kim. It's pressure, but to me, I enjoyed it. I loved it. It made me, you know, really search into more than just her and her music. It made me search into the person, her struggles, her love relationship with Biggie, and I really tried to touch, you know, the human side of who she was and show the audience something different. And I think people enjoyed it.
All right. Well, I think we all enjoyed that. That was a big movie in music history, and of course, we look forward to seeing Fame from you as well.
Oh, I think you guys are gonna love it. Thank you for supporting.
Notorious in the building. Keep it locked. And today's event is sponsored by Monster Cable, bringing you the best in HDMI and home audio. These are, of course, the Beats by Dre headsets, the best in the business. Keep it locked right here, and make sure you check out monstercable.com.